Hey, what's going on, guys? My name's Curtis. I'm one of the sales associates over here at Lou Fusz Kia, and I'm here to show off the brand new Kia K5, which is now kind of taking the Optima's place in our line. But we're really excited about this because it is a full redesign, including the front and the back end. They've put a new spin on the Tiger Nose grille, which really looks great. And then on the back end, they've got the fast back trunk and something called heartbeat sensor lights, which look really nice, especially while driving at night. But this one that you're looking at is all-wheel drive as well. And then there's a lot of cool features in this. One of my favorites being wireless Apple CarPlay. Makes using your phone in the car really, really easy. You no longer need that cord anymore to connect your phone. In terms of safety features, this thing really kind of comes packed with those. You've got the lane departure warning and assist system, which is my favorite, which kind of keeps you within those lanes. And then you've also got blind spot detection monitors, which is going to let you know if anybody's kind of floating in a spot that you can't see. So really, really packed with features, and they also look great. So if you guys want to check out one of these Kia K5s or any of the vehicles that I have here, be sure to give us a call at 314-595-4900 or check us out at kia.fusz.com.